In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with debit card on TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to expect, so you can set up your debit card quickly and safely. Start by opening your TikTok account. Make sure you're signed into the account you use for shopping. From the home screen, head to your profile tab at the bottom right. This is where all your account controls live, including your shopping settings. Next, tap the three lines in the top corner to open your account menu. From here, select your orders. Even though this section shows your past and current purchases, it's also the gateway to the payment area you need. Inside your orders, look for balance. Go ahead and tap Balance. This page shows your available balance and gives you access to coins and payment options that TikTok uses across the app. Now, tap Get Coins. Coins are TikTok's in-app currency, and buying a coin package is the easiest way to link a debit card for payments. If you want coins, select the coin package that suits you. If your goal is simply to set up your debit card for shopping, this purchase flow will still help you add the card to your account securely. When you're ready, choose debit card as your payment method. Enter the necessary details for your debit card exactly as they appear with your bank. That typically includes the card number, expiration date, the 3-digit security code, and any billing information requested. Take a moment to double-check for typos and make sure the name and address match your bank records to avoid declines. A few quick tips to keep things smooth and secure. Use a stable internet connection and avoid public Wi-Fi when entering payment details. Your bank may require an additional verification step, such as a one-time code. Complete it promptly if prompted. If the debit card option doesn't appear, ensure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version and that your card supports online transactions and international purchases if applicable. TikTok will never ask for your card PIN, and you should never share one-time codes with anyone. Once your details are entered accurately, your debit card will be ready to use on TikTok Shop and for coin purchases. That's it. Open your TikTok account, go to Profile, tap the three lines, select your orders, go to Balance, tap Get Coins, pick a coin package if you want, select Debit Card, and enter your card details. You're now set to pay with your debit card whenever you shop on TikTok.